Teacher, good day. I am Javier Mauricio Garzón Lopez. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Have you ever been skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever done tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you learned English before? Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever eaten tacos at home? Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? Have you had an iPhone before? Have you ever swum with dolphins? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Thank you.